Hello everyone, welcome back to the educational channel. Dear students, in the previous class we were discussing the lesson is called Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Unit 4, lesson number 4, Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. In this video we are going to learn about reading remaining 5 paragraphs, explanation and new words. So this is the second part of the lesson. In this video we will learn these points. We will cover these points in this video. Here you can see the list of meaning of new words. Take the screenshot and write it down in your English notebook. Is it clear? So before going to start today's paragraphs, I would like to ask you a few questions which are related to the previous paragraphs. Are you ready, students? Okay, and then let's see here your first question. What chores did Aladdin's mother used to do? Come on, tell me, students. What chores did Aladdin's mother used to do? Yes, your answer. Aladdin's mother used to do small little chores for the rich Nawabs. And your second question. Who came to meet Aladdin and his mother one day? Who came to meet Aladdin and his mother? Yes, a magician from Africa. A magician from Africa came to meet Aladdin and his mother one day. As he said that he was his uncle, is it? Then next one question. Why was Aladdin so excited and apprehensive at the same time? Why was Aladdin so excited and apprehensive? Here apprehensive means fearful, excited means become happy. Why? Yes, the magician who came from Africa, the magician told him to take Aladdin out for the whole day, and he had never ventured, Aladdin had never ventured too far away from his house, so he was excited and apprehensive at the same time. So with this, let us begin our today's paragraphs. Here, look at here. So I will read these paragraphs. You listen carefully. Put your finger. Aladdin was very scared. He tried to run away. The man caught hold of him roughly and threatened him with severe punishment if he tried to escape. The little boy was trembling with fear. The man snarled, I am no uncle of yours. I am a magician from Africa. You must go down to the bottom of the stairs and fetch me an old lamp which is there. Giving him a ring from his finger, he said, take this ring with you. It will keep danger away. Don't be afraid. So in the previous class we have got to know that when they both reached a mountain, they sat down and the man asked the little boy to collect some sticks. When he collected, he made a fire and he said some magic words and the earth opened up before them. Then look at the picture. When earth was opened up before them, then he saw there it was showing many stairs leading downwards, means to go downwards. It was showing where it has opened the earth in there, showing many stairs to go downwards. Then Aladdin was scared when he looked these, when he observed all these surroundings, then he was become scared, become afraid. Then he tried to run. He tried to run away from that place. Then suddenly that man caught hold him. Means he suddenly caught him, hold his hand roughly. He hold his hand, that boy's hand roughly, and threaten means here an expression to injure somebody, to injure someone. Threaten means here an expression, means some roughly scolding and roughly to become injured to an expression. So threaten him with severe punishment. So when you want to escape from that place, then he given severe punishment by making injure him. Severe means here strict, very strict punishment he had given to that boy when he hold his hand. If he tried to escape, then also he ordered, if you try to escape from this place, I will give severe punishment, more than severe punishment. Then Aladdin was become afraid, and also he was trembling. Trembling means here shake. He was trembling with fear. See, just you imagine if anybody stranger hold you and given torture, something, giving severe punishment, then what happen? Will become fear, is it? So then the boy also felt like that. The man snarled. Yes, snarl means growled, shouted angrily. He shouted means he said angrily, I am no your uncle of your, means here I am no any your uncle. I told lie. Before I told your relation, that is all lie. It is not true. I am no your any uncle. I am a magician from Africa. I am. Now he revealed his true identity. What is his true identity? He was a magician from Africa, not Aladdin's relative. Is it? Then he said, you must go down to bottom. You must go down to the bottom of the stairs. Here you can see the picture. He ordered that strange person who came from Africa. He said to Aladdin, you must go down to the bottom of the stairs and fetch me. Here fetch means, underline the word fetch means go and bring back. Here fetch means go and bring back an old lamp which is there in the downstairs. There was a lamp, old lamp. There was an old lamp, so that I want you go down and fetch me. Who said this? The magician who came from Africa. Next, giving him a ring from his finger, he said. Then again he said that by giving his ring, he has a magic ring, and he gave that ring to the Aladdin, and he said that take this ring with you. This is a magic ring. It will keep you danger away. It will save you. It will help you to save from the dangerous things. Then you don't be afraid to go down. Now you can go and bring that old lamp. He said, who? the magician. Next paragraphs, look at here. Aladdin had no choice. He climbed down the steps, and when he reached the bottom of the stairs, all his fears vanished. There was a beautiful garden with lots of fruit trees. He was wonderstruck. As he came closer, he realized that instead of fruits, there were rubies and sapphires and emeralds hanging from the trees. He filled his pockets with these gems, picked up the lamp, and hurried up the stairs. The man, who was getting impatient, he held at Aladdin to hurry. As soon as the little boy reached the top, the magician blocked off the opening with a huge rock. He refused to help Aladdin up and only asked for the lamp. The little boy refused. The magician got angry and pushed the rock over the opening, thus removing all chances of his escape. So look at the picture here. Aladdin had no choice because he already caught with that magician. He can't escape from him because he is very strong, and also he caught, and he said that to go down. So he didn't have any choice to escape from that place. He have to go down because he ordered. The magician not allowed to escape from that. So then he had no choice. What he said he done. Aladdin had ready to do that work. Then he climbed down the steps. So which was showing many stairs leading the downwards. He climbed down the steps, and when he reached the bottom of the stairs, look at here. When he reached, look at here, stairs, and he reached down the bottom of the stairs, all his fears vanished. Means here vanished means disappear. Before coming down, he become fear, trembling with fear, but now his fears vanished. Why? Because there was a beautiful garden. Look at here picture. There was beautiful garden with lots of fruit trees, colorful trees, beautiful garden he saw, and he was wonderstruck, means he become wondered. And when he has come closer to that garden, closer to the lamp, he saw there, and he realized that he knew that there was not a beautiful garden with fruits. Instead of fruits, those were rubies. Do you know rubies means? So rubies, it was a precious stone, red color stone, precious red color stone. Look at here, red color stone. And sapphires means that is also stone, but it is color blue color. Look at here, blue color, a precious stones. And emeralds, emeralds means a bright green color stones. In Kannada we can say muttu, havada. Those precious stones lay down in the downwards. So that is not a beautiful garden of the fruits. It was a beautiful place which were gems, precious gems, lay down precious gems. Those are rubies, sapphires and emeralds. Look at them. Those trees also, they are all hanging all those precious stones hanging from the trees, those trees. So he become wondered and he become happy. Look at his face, and he filled his pockets with these gems. Gems means, underline the gems means what? Stones, a precious stones. So here ruby is a precious red color stone, sapphires a precious blue color stone, and emeralds a precious green, a bright green color stones hanging from the trees. So if you got like these gems, what will you do? How much possible you will take those, will fill in the pockets, will hold like this, like that. He too filled his pockets with those gems. Those gems, how much possible? He filled all his pockets and hold some in the cap. How much possible? He took those and filled his pockets. Then picked up the lamp which was the old lamp. He picked up and hurried up the stairs. He hurried up the stairs because the magician was getting impatient. Here impatient means he become restless. He shouting, he held at the Aladdin to hurry because he was shouting, "Come Aladdin, come fast, become hurry." He had to do fast. So he said that to come fast. As soon as the little boy reached the top, when he came back and he reached the top, the magician blocked off the opening with a huge rock. Look at here, which was the opening block is there now. That block he closed. Here is there. He closed when he reached the top, then he closed and half open. Then huge rock. He blocked off the opening with a huge rock. Next, he refused to help Aladdin up. He rejected. He asked first to give that old lamp. No, you don't come first. First you give the lamp. After you come back. When he said like that, when he refused to help Aladdin first, then a little boy Aladdin refused. Means he rejected to give that lamp. No, you first save to me, after I will give this lamp. When Aladdin said and refused to give that lamp, the magician got angry and pushed the rock over the opening. So when he refused to give that lamp, the magician became angry and pushed the rock over the opening. So he lost all chance to express because he totally closed that block. Here look at here, which was opening block is then I totally closed that block. Now he lost all the chance to escape from that place now. So now what happened next? Look at here. Aladdin, put your finger, listen carefully. Aladdin began to cry. He just wanted to be with his mother. By mistake, he rubbed the ring the magician had given him, and to his utter surprise, a great big genie appeared out of a ring of smoke. The genie gently said, "I am the slave of all who wear the ring. What is your wish, little master?" So when he lost all chances, to escape from that place, then Aladdin sat on the stairs and began to cry. He started crying. Just what can I do, he was thinking, because he was missing to his mother. How can I go to my home, he was thinking. Hence by mistake he rubbed that ring which was given the magician, is it? So when he rubbed that ring, his utter surprise, here utter means absolutely he becomes surprised, because when he rubbed with smoke, a great big genie appeared in front of him. The genie gently said, means he said that with respectfully, he said that, my little master, how I am the slave of you who wear the ring. Little master, I am the slave of all who wear the ring. So what is your wish? What can I do for you? Tell me, little master. So like this he said, who? Genie. Look at here. When he rubbed the ring with smoke, a big genie appeared in front of him. Then he said that, little master, I am the slave of all who wear the ring. What can I do for you? Next, Aladdin said, look at here, take me to my mother's house, said Aladdin, hardly believing his eyes and ears, and sure enough, the genie carried him back to his house. Aladdin said that hardly means not believing 100%. He hardly believed, because it was used genie. He became afraid of seeing that genie. By trembling, by shaking, slowly he said that, take me to my mother's house. It was sure enough, the genie carried him back to his house. Within a second, he came back to his house. Who? Aladdin. Then, rub the ring whenever you need me, my master. Saying this, the genie disappeared. When they came back to his house, then while moving, the genie said that, my little master, whenever you need my help, you rub the ring. I will appear in front of you. By saying this, the genie disappeared. He disappeared. Who? The used genie disappeared. Next, Aladdin narrated the day's events to his mother and showed her the lamp. It looked so old and dirty. Now why would the magician want this lamp? She wondered aloud as she began to wipe the dirt from it. So when came back to his house, so narrated means explained. Aladdin explained what happened that whole day. What happened? He explained to his mother and showed her that lamp which was he brought from that downwards. And it was so old and dirty. By seeing that old dirty lamp, his mother wondered, and she said that, no, why would the magician want this lamp? his mother become wondered, and she was thinking, and also she was began to wipe, means rub. He began to rub the dirt from that lamp, and she said that why would the magician want this lamp? What was the speciality of this lamp? Why that magician want this lamp? She was thinking. So this is the today's paragraphs explanation. So remaining paragraphs we will continue in the next video. Now I am going to explain briefly today's paragraphs by showing the pictures. Look at here. When Aladdin saw that opened earth, he was very scared. He tried to run away, but that man caught hold of him roughly, and he said that if he tried to escape from that place, he will give severe punishment. And also he revealed his true identity. He said that he was not his uncle, he was a magician from Africa. And also he ordered to the Aladdin, fetch me an old lamp which was there in the downstairs, and also he has given a magic ring to Aladdin because it will keep danger away. Then Aladdin had no choice, he climbed down the steps. When he reached the bottom of the stairs, his fears disappeared because he saw there a beautiful garden with lots of fruits. So he became wonder. But when he came closer to that garden, instead of fruits, he saw there a precious gems, stones, rubies, sapphires, emeralds hanging from the trees. Then he became happy and he filled his pockets with those gems how much possible and fixed that lamp. And upside that man was getting impatient. He was shouting at the Aladdin to come back fast. When he reached the top, Aladdin reached the top, the magician blocked off the opening because he wanted that lamp first. He refused. That man refused to help Aladdin first. Then when he refused, Aladdin also refused to give that lamp. So the man became angry and pushed that block. So he lost all chances to escape from that place. So Aladdin has began to cry. Then just by mistake he rubbed that ring. A huge genie appeared in front of him. The genie gently said that I am the slave of all who wear the ring. What is your wish, my little master? Tell me, I will fulfill. So then he said, take me to my mother's house. Within second there both appeared in that, and when the genie moving, disappearing, say that rub the ring whenever you need my help. Then it was disappeared. The genie disappeared. After Aladdin explained to his mother what happened that whole day. Then showed her that lamp. It was looking so old and dirt. She became wondered, and when she began to rub the dirt from it, she told, why would the magician want this lamp? She wondered. She became wondered, and he started thinking why that magician want this old lamp. So this is the today's paragraphs. So what will happen in the next paragraphs, we will see in the next video. So children, I hope it is clear to you all. Now take down the homework. Look at here. Write the meaning of new words and write the given question answer in English notebook one time. And next, read the whole lesson 2 times. Is it clear? Okay. So children, we will meet in the next video with remaining paragraph. Till then, goodbye. See you again. Thank you, my dear.